The secret to becoming a millionaire: have multiple streams of income. If you want to learn 15 different ways you can make money from the comfort of your own home, stay tuned. Hi guys, my name is Lydia. Welcome to my channel where we talk all things money, investing, and entrepreneurship. Today, I'm going to give you 15 ways you can make money from the comfort of your very own home. No boss, less stress, more freedom. I love a good side hustle. The first way you can make money from the comfort of your own home is to sign up on the VIP Kid platform. With VIP Kid, you're actually teaching kids in China how to speak English. You do not have to know Chinese because they're creating an English curriculum for you. All you need is a 4-year college degree in any major. It does not have to be in teaching at all. You do have to have 1 year of teaching experience, but that teaching experience is not an actual formal teaching experience. It could be that you've probably coached someone in the past. It could be that you were a mentor for someone in the past, but it does not have to be a formal school teaching experience. You probably homeschool your child in the past. Now, the beauty about this is that you do not have to create your own curriculum or do any form of lesson plans. They actually send you the lesson plan with all the information that you need to start teaching. You set your own hours and then the parents will book you based on your availability, and then you will go ahead and start teaching these same students online that are located all the way in China. VIP Kid, they pay up to $25 per hour and they have a lot of bonuses. The second way you can make money from the comfort of your own home is to actually become a service broker. Now, what I mean by this is that you can actually market certain services such as plumbing, roofing, painting, any service or services that you're interested in. Now, once a client books you, then you can go ahead and try to find an independent contractor that will do the job for you. By doing this, whenever your client pays you a certain amount of money to get the job done, you will pay your independent contractor a small percentage of that money, and then you would take the remainder for yourself. This is a business that you can do from the comfort of your own home. You don't even have to know how to do these jobs. The third way you can make money from home is to become a meal preparer. Now, what I mean by this is that you have a lot of people that are extremely busy. They love a good home cooked meal, but they just don't have the time to do that. Now, that's where you would come in. You would go ahead and cook different meals from your home based on your client's requests, package that for an entire week or however long they requested, and then you would deliver that package to the customer. Listen, if you're a good cook and you enjoy cooking, this is a perfect way that you can also make money from home. Another way you can make money from home is to actually become a dog walker. Yes, I know. Spending time with animals and being able to make money at the same time is just superb. I know for me personally, I would kind of find that interesting because I love animals. Keep in mind that you can walk multiple dogs from different clients at the same time. So you have the ability to walk 3 or 4 dogs and make at least $50 an hour. One platform which you can sign up for this on is Rover. Another way you can make money from the comfort of your own home is to start a masterclass. Now, what I mean by this is that you can actually go ahead and sell courses online, anything that you're passionate about, any skill that you have. You can package that skill and sell it online, whether it's on your own personal website, whether it's on Udemy or Skillshare, any website of your choice. Now guys, I know a lot of people that are selling courses that are considered stupid, such as how to walk a dog on a leash or how to start a veggie garden. Like, there are some ridiculously crazy courses out there, guys, and they are very, very profitable. If you are passionate about a certain area, go ahead and create your own masterclass online. Once you've created that course, it's not like you have to do much besides updating the course every few months. That's what you call passive income. You do the work now, And that's it for you. Now, this other way that you can make money is very similar to the last one that I just mentioned. You can sell online resources. Now, these online resources could be ebooks. Teach people how to do something, guys. There must be something out there that you can teach others about. Package that in a book and sell that as an ebook online to generate that extra money. Maybe you want to write a book about how to walk a dog, how to bake, how to budget, anything, I promise you. If you have a passion for it, you'll find a way to make it work. Another way that you can make money from the comfort of your own home without a boss is to make and sell handmade products. Now, this is really a good idea because it's not like you're buying products that are already made with high prices to resell on a certain platform. You're actually making this from scratch, which 99% of the times it will be cheaper. So by doing this and selling handmade products online, you're setting yourself up for a high profit margin. Just be creative and think about the skills that you already have. For example, the other day I was scrolling through my TikTok and I saw a detailed video of someone that was actually selling different paintings. All they did was to pour paint on a canvas, spin it around, and boom, a perfect, expensive looking design that they were selling. I felt like I wanted to go in my pocket to purchase that. So I'm just saying that to say this. If you find a certain area that works for you, find a way to make money from it online. Boom. Speaking about TikTok, another way that you can generate some extra money online is to try to become a social media manager. Now, these companies, they do not have the time to manage all their social media accounts. Think about it. Do you think the owners for Walmart is going to sit there all day and post on their social media? Not just Walmart, but other companies. I just threw that out there because it's the first company that came to mind. Now, these companies, they pay people to post and update their social media on a regular basis. Social media manager salary in Miami? $65,000 per year. So people are willing to pay $63,000 per year just to have a manager to post on their social media. Another way that you can make money online from the comfort of your home is to become an online jeweler. You can do jewelry duty all online. Okay, so these websites include Jewelry Talk, Jewelry Verdict, and Jewelry Test, and a lot more. Another side hustle is actually to sell photos online. No excuses. You do not need a high-tech, expensive camera. If you have one of the latest iPhones, you have no excuses. Go ahead, take some really great photos and sell them on iStock and Shutterstock. That way, people can purchase these photos and use them for their own personal use, whether it's on their website or on their social media. Another side hustle is actually a side hustle that I mentioned in my previous video about how to save fast. This is actually to become a call center representative. You have various platforms such as Working Solutions or Arise.com that will provide these opportunities for you. Number 13, this is actually to become a beauty service provider. A lot of times when I have a special event to attend, I'll just book a makeup artist. Now these people, they just travel to your home, so their overhead cost is very, very little. There are times when I just want to get my hair done and I have to book my hairstylist to come to my home and do my hair. Again, their overhead cost is very, very little. I mean, if you think about it, they're paying for gas and toll, but 99% of these travel beauty service providers, they charge you a travel fee, so they're making that money back. But that's not the point. You're not renting a physical business to have beauty services done. You're going to your client's home to actually do their hair, do their nails, do their makeup for a certain occasion, and then you leave. And in today's day and age where everyone's so concerned about their physical appearance, especially women, I'm sure if you do a really, really good job and you market your services, you'll be good to go. Another side hustle is actually to flip things. And you can purchase any item that's undervalued. Take, for example, this bottle of water. I see this bottle of water being posted online for only 10 cents, whether it's on Craigslist or OfferUp or any other website. I know that this bottle of water has the potential to be sold for $1. So I then purchased this bottle of water for 10 cents. I relist it on the same platform, or probably maybe a different platform depending on what I'm willing to do. And then I will relist it for $1. That is a 90-cent profit margin. Just a quick example. You can do the same thing for items that are very valuable. That way your profit margin will be a lot higher. Of course, you're not gonna resell a bottle of water on Craigslist. I know you're smarter than that. You can even do this with furniture. A lot of time people are moving to a new house and they want all their furniture to be new. I know, it's crazy, but it happens. A lot of times people even downgrade to a smaller place and they have to get rid of certain furnitures. So what they do is they list these furnitures on a website for sale. Then you can go ahead and purchase that once you see that it's way undervalued and it has the potential to be sold for a higher cost. Another way that you can make money from home is to become a virtual assistant. It's very similar to becoming a social media manager, but this is different in its own little way. When I say that, I actually mean that they just give you tasks. These companies give you various tasks that you need to complete online for them. It's not just tied to social media. That might be included, that might not be included. Comment below and let me know some other side hustles that I did not include in this video. I would love to hear them. If you did enjoy this video or if you did learn something new, please click that like button. Do not forget to subscribe. Turn that notification bell on so that way you will get notified every single time that I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.